Epigraphy and Antiquities. Painting, often considered the ancient version of Photoshop, involve using ink to create clear rubbings of inscriptions from stone carvings and ancient artifacts onto paper. Once the rubbing is completed, additional decorations such as flowers, figures, landscapes, and other motifs are painted onto the rubbing or the full figure. The fourth-generation inheritor, Qian Xieyu, has mastered various techniques, including flat robings, full-figure three-dimensional rubbing, delicate rubbing of shallow reliefs, and sharp tool rubbing in terms of cultural and creative product development. Qian integrates traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics, improving and innovating traditional rubbing techniques. She has created a range of cultural products such as ancient-style round fans and lanterns, calligraphy rubbing screens, epoxy resin bookmarks, and rubbing print tapes, introducing traditional culture to younger generations and allowing them to experience its unique charm.